Hey everybody, welcome to the Premier Forex League. This is BT Stu, and I'm going to guide you through this little known strategy, this little known trick. It's proprietary to us, but we want to show you how easy it can be to make money trading Forex. It's a simple scalping strategy. So it doesn't take very long, to take your pips, 10, 15, 20, I mean, up to, 50 even sometimes. It just depends on, what the market's giving us. But real quick, all we want to do is what we're waiting for is, these whites to appear. Now, see, like this white up here, you wouldn't have taken that up, and, we'd tell you why you wouldn't have taken that up. You'll learn that in the live room that we have. We're live every day for 3 hours from 7:30 Central Time to 10:30 Central Time. Every single morning, Monday through Friday, you can ask us questions. We walk you through it. All the master traders will help you, with your entries and exits. We don't so much call out, but we tell you when a good time to take the trade is. But looking at these whites, the first one that we see here is this one. You can see it already went down. And the reason why was it was right here on the moving average. And, you had an arrow down, so it pushed it down. And, you see the one moving up here. And the same thing, you could take this up. It's like you always like to, let the white arrow show, take it, and then take it on the pullback. But like as far as that, I would take that up, just seeing what I see right now is, into this moving average again, up into this area or the band up here, just because, I'm used to this and I know what I'm looking at, and you will be too. But there's just great entry and exit points with these whites, and this is how simple it is. Even if you took it from here up because you were waiting for that pullback, you'd make a 5-10 pips, something like that off of that little trade. But what we're doing is we're looking for the down trade here. So what we do is we'd be looking for a white down and a reason to take this down. So because we have a little arrow there saying it's going down further. So we're looking to take this down. So let's see when we get a white arrow. You can see, look, there it is. There's a nice little trade, up from 20 area to 8. So there's 8 pips or so. Let's just go forward here. Bands are always a great place to take a trade. These bands, we'll talk about that in our short little Forex class that we have. It's really short, and it's more like a glossary to what all these means: the bands, the arrows, the yellow line, the orange line, what they all mean, because we're not going to get into teaching you how to trade like all the fundamental and technical ways of we touch upon it just so you have some background, but really what we want you to do is we want you to learn how to trade within the room, use our proprietary signals, because it's the simplest way to trade. Keep it simple, stupid. That is a great motto because you do not want to overcomplicate this. So again, I'll get back to it and just showing you how simple this really is. So what we do, we have this white arrow here. Now what we do is we wait for a pullback. You're waiting for a pullback towards this moving average. Like I said, we will get into all this stuff, in the room, but I just want to show you how simple this is. And then, we'd be taking it down. We'd be looking to take it down. So let me just forward through here and see, look at that. Pulled back to the moving average, goes down, and now you've got like all kinds of things showing. And right there, up there, that's probably around 25 to 8. So, you're already at, a good 15 to 20 pip move almost. So, in that, and what we teach is to look for these moves. So, here's your first one, and that was a good 20 pip move, or so. And then the same here. So then we're trying to teach you, it's not about how many pips. People out there are like, oh, I want 500 pips. I want 500 pips. Screw 500 pips. What if I could tell you that you could get 10 pips consistently whenever you wanted, and all you had to do is up your lot size. So with that being said, this trade right here at $100 a pip, you're talking about, that's over $1,000. Here's another $1,000. And that's all in 15 or 20 minutes, 15 minutes there. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20 minutes there that you made $1,000 2 times. And that's what we try to teach in this, short scalping strategy, is that you can make a ton of money in a short period of time, because this is going to happen. So it's not about that, oh, I need, 1,000 pips this week, or I'm not going to make it. No, you need 10 of the right pips. And this is coming, and we teach this all to you. And we also, like I said, we teach this to you live. We have tons of training videos, but then we're in the room every morning, like I said, 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. And then we leave the charts open all day for you to trade throughout the day. But we're there to answer your questions, live, so that, you can ask us anything that you need to help you learn any of this stuff that you're seeing. And another thing is that we don't have any upsells. We don't try to sell you a bunch of different things. Buy this, then we'll mentor you for $5,000 or $10,000. That's not the way that we work. We want to teach you this system. We want you to be able to learn, and we want you to be able to earn on your own. So, like I said, I just wanted to show you it's a quick, simple, little known strategy that you can use to make a ton of money really, really fast. So, I really want you just to go ahead and look below. There should be all your bonuses below that we promised you, and we'll be giving you more and more bonuses via email. We love to give stuff for free. I also would like to just have you go ahead and click that button below and join the room. It's $97 to join. It's a recurring payment, but it's $97, and you will be amazed at how much you make off of this just within the first 4 to 6 weeks, because it's that quick. You can keep it simple. You can learn really, really fast. And, that's what we want. So, and like I said, no upsells. We want you to learn this. We want you to have this and to move forward with it on your own. So, just, like I said, click that button below. Join us. I look forward to seeing you in the room. I can't wait to have you there. And we can teach this to you live. Again, just click that button below. $97. Join the Premier Forex League today. See you in the room, guys.